Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about sesame oil. I know in India this sesame oil is extremely popular. We are using this sesame oil as an offering for our gods, for our deities. We lit the lamp with sesame oil, and this sesame oil is very sacred for and this sesame oil is considered as very sacred because we are using in various kind of pujas, especially for massage purposes, like from Ayurveda perspective. And let's try to understand what is the importance of this sesame oil and why it is so important in Ayurveda. Sesame is the English terminology for til. Til is the Sanskrit name for sesame, and in India it is very famous with the name til oil, til tailam or sesame oil. This sesame oil is extremely beneficial for your muscles. That's why in Ayurveda, whenever we perform these massage procedures, especially to small children or even to elder one, if you want to make your muscles very strong, we recommend to people that use sesame oil, because sesame oil is very balya, means very strengthening. And it is this property of oil which make it extremely beneficial and extremely strengthening for our massage purposes, for our muscles, for our abhyanga. So if you are very new to my channel, if you have never heard this abhyanga, what is massage, what is this Ayurveda process of abhyanga or doing massage, oil massage. So there is a link below, you can click on that link, you can watch that video and you will get to know how to do this abhyanga or Ayurveda massage or self massage by using various kinds of oils, and sesame is one among them. As we know, in Ayurveda there is a column called Tailavarga. Tailavarga means that column, that box in which various kinds of oils are being mentioned in Charak Samhita. But Charak Samhita is the main Ayurveda text in which various principles of Ayurveda exist, or you can say, like when we study Charak Samhita. From there we extract all the knowledge and then we are sharing with you. So there is one column in Charak Samhita, this is the textbook or reference book, that is called Tailavarga, in which Tailavarga means oil column. Varg means you can also understand it as column, like there is a categorization like index. So various kinds of oil are being mentioned in it, and in this Tailavarga there is one very important oil that is mentioned, that is called sesame oil or til oil. Like I have mentioned in my previous videos, the importance of daily regime according to Ayurveda, that is called Dinacharya. One of the part of this daily regime is abhyang, that is self massage. So there is a video, like I mentioned earlier, you can click on that link and you can get to know the various methodology of massaging, of Ayurveda massaging that I have mentioned, and you can make use of it. So now I will focus again on this sesame oil. Sesame oil has various properties. It is anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial properties that make it extremely beneficial in Ayurveda. That's why in our culture, whenever a little born, small children born, they are given massage with this sesame oil. But it becomes also very important, like whenever you are using sesame oil, it should be of organic origin. It should be from authentic source. It should not contain any kind of chemicals, because if it contains any kind of chemicals and if you do any kind of massage on your body and if it is not pure, it will cause body eruptions, especially to small children. Because many times this happen, like people come with the cases like they have done this til oil or sesame oil massage and small children have little eruptions on the skin. So these eruptions happens when the sesame oil you are using is not of good quality. So make sure if you are using this sesame oil for massage purpose, it should be of organic origin, it should be pure. Only then it can yield effects. In Ayurveda, it has been mentioned that sesame oil has been used in Ayurveda from the era of Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda, Tharvaveda. Everybody was using sesame oil. So, sesame oil has a history for long, because Atharva Veda is the last among 4 Vedas which has been written, or you can also understand it is the newest Veda. But this Rig Veda, it is the oldest one. Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, everybody was using sesame oil when it comes to Abhyanga. Because the best quality of the sesame oil is, it is very Vata pacifying. So, if somebody has imbalanced Vata dosha, sesame oil is your best choice, because it is very strengthening muscles and at the same time it will pacify the Vata dosha. And when your Vata dosha got pacified, your muscles will become strong and strengthened. Also, those people who have a lot of dry skin problem, like there are many people in which you will observe like that their skin become extremely dry, especially in winter. So, for those people also I would like to recommend Abhyanga with sesame oil. If you do this Abhyanga with sesame oil, it will reduce the dryness because it will pacify the Vata dosha, and the main reason for dryness of the skin is aggravation of Vata dosha. In addition to that, sesame oil is also known for protecting your sinuses, and how you can do it, you can take a little finger like this and you can dip this in oil, sesame oil, and here you just this nasal fold, you just put this finger inside the nose and just lubricate it and just then pinch and open. So, this way also it will provide lubrication to your sinuses. Actual procedure of doing it is called Nasya, which has been done only in the presence of Ayurveda doctor, because there is a techniques to do it. But because if you are doing at a home, you are sitting at home, you are not you are Ayurveda doctor is not available to you. So, this much lubrication you can do. This will help you to make your to make the sinuses of the brain better. But at the same time, it is very important, if you have cold, if you have flu, if you have any kind of viral infection, don't put this, don't lubricate these nasal folds with oil. And oil should be very little when you are doing by self, like no Ayurveda doctor is present. So, you do very gently. Don't put with droppers inside this oil, don't do like this, just lubricate, you just dip it and just lubricate and then do like this, and this will strengthen your mucous membrane of the nose. And if mucous membrane is strengthened, these viruses, these various kind of bacterial problems or various kind of dust or allergies, they will not enter in your respiratory system. So, for this purpose also we can use our sesame oil. It is extremely beneficial for us. But if you have little bit confusion regarding that, you don't know how to do this, that, then please avoid doing it. You can write down to us, we will guide you step by step. So, this way also if you have any question, any confusion, please write down to us, we will answer your questions in the best possible way. In addition to that, where we can use sesame oil is like in the form of gandusha. Gandush means mouth swishing, like you just pull oil, you just fill your mouth with oil, like this you do, and just after that remove this oil into the sink. Just do it for 2 minutes and just move it whole of the mouth and then throw this oil into the sink. After that, clean your mouth with warm water. This way you will make your gums extremely healthy, because this sesame oil makes your gums extremely healthy and teeth much better. So, this Abhyanga, that is the body massage, and this gandush, if you have time you can do it daily, and if you do not have time, once in a week you can do. It will yield good health benefits for you. And if you have any confusion, any question regarding sesame oil, you please write down to us. I will answer your questions I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So, that's all for today's video. I hope you will like it. And if you're watching me for the first time, there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription. You can click that join button and you can support us. And with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. And if you like my video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.